My name is Troy Beyer. I am a project manager and I work in the Asheville office. The services that America's Home Place offers are very broad. We do site evaluations for new homeowners, and we also do on-your-lot building, whether it's building in a neighborhood community or building on your lot that you already own, and it's going out seeing if the house is able to build where you want to build it. For being probably one of the most competitive builders in the area, I think we give one of the best service and best quality for what you're getting for your money. Steps America's Home Place takes to make sure your house is built with care and affection and quality are certain checklists that we go through in every single phase of construction. Not only the project manager, but there's also assistant project managers that will go through, walk the house and check for details, make sure everything's level and square. And we are checking the quality behind the contractors who are doing it. We're never gonna let something go under the rug because we don't want the homeowner to see it because it would take 10 minutes to fix. We're gonna step in and take care of it to the fullest extent and make sure it is the best quality possible.